Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today I would like to share a happy moment, that is I have received a silver play button from the YouTube. Yes. So before opening it, I would like to thank all my subscribers for encouraging our channel since last 3 years. Right. Now let us open this and I will show you the silver play button. So there is a letter from CEO. Later I will read it. First let us see the silver play button. Yes. So here it is, a silver play button. Yes. See. So you can see it. Yes. So a silver play button presented to Sundeep, Saradhi, Kanthety for passing 1 lakh subscribers at YouTube. So this is the button we got. Right. Now I will read the letter. So you have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish, and you have an astonishing 1 lakh people subscribe to your channel. We know that number on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. And you achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you have accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you have found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you are closer than you think, and we are rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO, YouTube. So this is the letter we received along with this silver play button. And undoubtedly, this credit goes to all my subscribers because they are keep on encouraging me for growing our channel more successful. Right. So on this occasion, I just want to thank a few members. So first of all, I would like to thank all my family members for their support, and also my friends who gives continuous support in every aspect, and then particularly YouTube platform given to prove myself, and also all my teachers, because without them I am nothing today. So I thank everyone, all the viewers and the subscribers of our channel. So I am expecting the same support from all of you guys. So share our channel with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make them subscribe to our channel, right? And keep on supporting our channel, keep on enjoying my sessions. And once again, my heartful thanks to all my viewers, subscribers and supporters. Thank you very much.